Welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Finally I am in Glacier Bay. What is Glacier Bay? Glacier Bay is mountains of ice. Wherever you see, you'll only find ice, and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright. It's very cold guys, my hands are freezing, my nose is blocked now. I don't think so I can carry on more. You can see all this white thing, these are glaciers in the sea. Let's go to another side and check how's the look from here. It's like you come to heaven. So well guys, how did you like Glacier Bay? Please write it in a comment box, and I'll be making more videos such about cruise life. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.